So if you clicked on this video, that probably means you need to know how to fix the clip resolution on your GoPro HERO7 White. So if you're like me, you're probably upset because you didn't realize when you bought the GoPro HERO7 White that A, it doesn't have a switchable battery, and also B, because it automatically records in 1440p, which if you're unaware is on a 4:3 aspect ratio, which means that you have to stretch the video in a video editing software, and that usually looks weird or kind of dumb. So today, all you're going to need to do this is your GoPro. So to start off, turn your GoPro HERO7 White on. This can also change the resolution in any other type of GoPro, and it's really, really relatively simple to do. So once you've got your GoPro HERO7 White out, what you're going to want to do is swipe down, and that'll bring your drop-down menu down. Then you want to go to Preferences. Now, automatically, it is going to record in a 1440p ratio, which is not what you want. You want it to be 1080, because that'll make it easier and make it better looking in a video editor. Now, if you want 1440p, if you want it to be a box on the screen with your video playing with black bars on the side, go for it. I'm not saying that you need to have it in 1080p, but I am saying that it would probably be better if you had it in 1080p because it would look better in your video editor. So to do this, simply go to defaults right here like that. And then, boom, you've got it right here. You can see your clip length, you can capture for 15 or 30 seconds, but then the most important thing right here is the resolution. And GoPro doesn't tell you how to do this in the manual, which makes me kind of upset. So simply go to resolution and tap on that, and in resolution it'll say right here, captures immersive footage with added height. That's simply for a 4:3 aspect ratio, and in your video editor you're going to have a black bar on either side of your screen. Now obviously in any video editor you can stretch the footage, but it doesn't look as good when it's stretched. Like I took a video on my GoPro and I had to stretch it and it didn't look as good, so you're going to simply just select 1080, and then it should correct, as you can see there, it should correct to say 1080 as the resolution. So that is how to turn your GoPro Hero 7 White into a 1080 camera. Now, obviously, GoPro made a lot of people mad with this camera. For instance, the quality of the camera is not as great as their previous models, and also the non-swappable battery made a lot of people mad. So honestly, I would prefer not using this camera, but I bought this camera because it was on the cheaper side, and it was an easy GoPro to start off with, and I mean, it still captures decent footage, but it's not great. So anyways, yeah, that is how to change your GoPro resolution. I hope this video helped you. If it did help you, consider dropping a like and subscribing. That would greatly show your support and show that you want to see more videos like this, more tutorials like this, and until the next time, I will talk to y'all later. Goodbye.